In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present to Google Meet right from a file. Whether you're leading a business meeting, teaching a class, or just connecting with colleagues, being able to share your presentation seamlessly can make a world of difference. So let's dive right in and get you set up quickly and easily. First, you'll want to navigate over to Google Meet. Open up your preferred web browser and type Google Meet into the search bar, or you can go directly to meet.google.com. Once the page loads, you're ready for the next step. Now that you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the New Meeting button. It's usually located right there in the center of the screen. Click on it to see a drop-down menu with a few options for you to choose from. Among these options, select Start an Instant Meeting. This creates a meeting room for you immediately without needing to schedule in advance. Perfect for when you want to get right into your presentation without delay. With your meeting now open, you should see a range of controls at the bottom of your screen. Look for the Present Now button. This is your gateway to sharing your prepared materials. A small window will pop up, allowing you to choose what exactly you want to present. Once you've clicked on Present Now, you'll have to tell Google Meet exactly what you want to share. You'll see different options here, like sharing your entire screen, a specific application window, or a specific browser tab. For presenting a file, especially a presentation, choose the tab where your file is open. Keep in mind when you share a specific tab, it reduces distractions from other open windows, ensuring the focus remains on your presentation. Proceed by clicking the Share button, and just like that you are presenting to your audience. The content of your file will be visible to everyone in the meeting, and they'll be able to follow along as you go through your slides. If you haven't done so already, make sure to have your presentation file, be it Google Slides or PowerPoint, open in another tab in your browser. Having this ready beforehand ensures a smooth transition once you start sharing, and there's no awkward wait for your audience. As you present, interact with your slides as you normally would, narrating your points and engaging with your audience. Remember, good pacing and clear explanations keep your listeners attentive and make your presentation impactful. And there you have it, simple, straightforward, and effective. Now you can confidently present your files through Google Meet with ease, helping you connect and communicate more effectively with your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found today's tutorial both helpful and empowering. Happy presenting!